Hey, good day everybody. I'm going to replace this board on this dock here and also fix this runner along the side. So this board's rotten here. The plan is to pull it up and just do a one-for-one replacement. And I'm going to take this here and fix that back up there too. Alright, this is just under 8 foot, so I'll grab an 8-foot board for this one. 7 foot 10 inches. Okay, I'm going to replace the rails on this dock here too, so I'm going to pop these old ones off. And I'm going to buy some 16-foot pressure treated 2x6s. Okay, got some 2x6s, 8-footers. So I'm going to do the board I showed you. I'm also going to do the end of this board as well. This bumper off here and that trim around there as well. Okay, I've got all that just kind of pulled back. It's nailed along the bottom, but I'm going to be able to pull that board out without fully taking that off. But this thing is darn near so rusted up, it just almost, plus all the pounding I was doing on it. Able just to pull that off of there. There we go. Okay, I'm going to zip this baby off at 94 inches. Right here. Pull these out, secure it here, but first I'm going to go ahead and secure this to the dock. Well, here's the fasteners I'm using. I'm using 2.5 inches here, but these things are nice, and it comes with a little bit here as well with the box, which I like. Don't even see it. The nice thing is that these things are stainless steel and they're all straight, so I'm going to just reuse these. These are nice nails. I'll just put them back in here to secure that thing back to it. Tide's coming in. The trick is going to be not to drop anything down into the water. It's a good work site. Okay, I got that whole front piece nailed back in. And the side pieces as well. Just got to get that front bumper screwed back in now. Alright, that one's done. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and take this one off here. You know, it's not too bad when these things are rotten like this, but I got to get these ones out in the middle too. And they're not too bad, just getting a bite on it like that. Try not to mess up the adjacent boards too, but yet grab that nail so I can rip them out. Here's what's left of the nails. Okay, snip the end off of that one. Okay, now I'm just gonna fasten it down. Fix that runner right there. Here we go. Got that runner all straight and fixed. I just set the new board up there. Just do a one-for-one swap here. Start at this end, get some fasteners down here. This one's ready to come off.